Alright, what's up guys? In this video we're just gonna be showing you how to set up a auto smelting system in say like less than 3 minutes. So you'll have your power source. I'm gonna put just a couple splitters here to have them. Your input chest, your 3 furnaces, and then output chest. And then here, a storage adapter, there. Then you're gonna add these to the front of the furnaces. Won't need that anymore, or those, or that, or that. Then we're gonna have conveyors pulling out, conveyors pulling in. And then from here, it's gonna connect these. Obviously your power source will be different. It's gonna come down to here, power it in there. Power that in. Power that. And here, we're gonna power conveyor, pass through to here. Don't need that. Turn them on. Then we're gonna set them so you can set to all the ores. So metal ore, high quality, sulfur, boom. And then here, you're just gonna do the finished product. There, and then high quality, boom. Connect here to the chest, connect this chest to here, here to these, connect these, into here, and then all we're gonna do is test it. Throw some stuff in here. And as you see, stuff is getting pulled in. It's going. And then it's getting sucked out. So yeah, hopefully that's don't know how fast that was, but just a simple thing you can do really easily to not really worry about smelting anymore. Yeah, I'll see you guys.